Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs on the Welsh Government's support for young farmers across Wales. Now, many members here attended the NFU celebration of Welsh food and farming event this lunchtime, which was a fantastic opportunity for us to celebrate the food and drink sector and show our support for Welsh farmers. Now, the event also focused on what the next generation of farmers need to flourish, and we heard a very powerful speech from Delyth Robinson about the challenges facing farmers today. And I'm sure, Trefnydd, you'll agree with me that the Welsh Government must support young farmers and invest in them to ensure our farming industry has a bright future. We know that farming has an ageing workforce, and according to the Farmers Union of Wales in 2023, the average age of Welsh farmers is now over 60, with just 3% of farmers under the age of 35. I appreciate that the Welsh Government will make an announcement regarding the sustainable farming scheme in due course, but I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Welsh Government on the work being done to support and invest in young farmers in Wales so that we can have a thriving farming sector for years to come.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies, and yes, it was clearly a very successful event that was held, a celebration, as you say, of the farming community and the role that they play in all aspects of our economy, and of course young farmers are key to that bright future for farming in Wales, and that is addressed in the Sustainable Farming Scheme. And of course the Deputy First Minister will be coming forward with an update in due course.